to front today, Hallelujah.
I started telling him to sit down at the back. Hey guys, good morning. Shh. Bryan, say good morning. Say good morning. Hello, beautiful people. Hey, Jesus. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? How have you guys been? Yes, welcome to another vlog. And yes, that's Bryan. I don't know what he's saying. Anyways, it's Saturday morning and we're actually I'm going to the market. I want to make soup today, so I want to go to the market and buy stuff for soup, and then we're also going grocery shopping for the house. So yeah, that's what's happening this morning. Bryan, say good morning. Face masks.
Why do you want those
masks? I'll give you one. If I give you now, you just end up playing.
You just play with it and spoil it. Wait, I won't get there.
Anyway, so that's where we're off to. So I'll see. I might take you guys into the market. But anyways, I'll take you guys through the shopping. So let's go. Nose mask. You're going to just play with it now, and you end up spoiling it for me.
Man.
Hold on, I'll give you. Hey guys, so I'm back. I was supposed to take you guys with me to go grocery shopping and into the market, but should I say I forgot, or I was just in a rush. I just wanted to buy things, and I actually went with my husband. You know, men, when they follow you for shopping, they're always in a rush. I don't know where they're always rushing to, so he was practically just rushing me. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do that, let's go. Where are we going to? I don't know. But anyways, I'm back now. I want to make soup, and I've already even unpacked everything, you guys. But anyways, I'll take you guys through the process of making my soup. I want to make Oha soup today. Should I do a recipe for you guys? If you're struggling on how to make Oha soup, I got you. Honestly, my Oha soup is it's on point. Okay, I learned it. I got my recipe from Ife's kitchen. That's where Ife's kitchen, right? That's where I got my recipe from, and it's been back to back bomb. Anyway, so let's go and make soup. I want to go and bring out what I bought, meat, Chikkiey, and all those things, wash them and prepare to make the soup. Okay, let's go. That's Bryan's finger. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. We're getting ready for church. In fact, I'm ready anyways. I don't even know what the time is, but we're supposed to be going for 10:30 mass. I'm just still trying to put my hair in order. This wig, I need to, I don't know, should I say, please remove your finger, bless you, or your hands. I mean, which word will I use? Stop. I need to comb it out. I haven't used it in a while. I just brought it out this morning, just did anything, but I need to take my time to, put it all together to make it look better. But I think it's okay though. But anyway, so yeah, we're all ready for church. Brian just annoyed me this morning. The cloth I took my time to iron for him. I told my nanny to help me dress him up, and he was forming. He doesn't want to wear. I was just crying and screaming all over the place. I just left him out of anger. My husband was the one that ended up dressing him up. We had to bring out something completely different to put on for him. These toddlers, they can be very, very annoying. Very, very annoying. Sometimes you want to just break their head. Anyways, I'm just waiting for my husband and then we'll leave. So yeah, let's go to church. Stop shaking my camera. Stand up. Stand up. Yeah, come and show your face. Come and sit down. Yeah, say good morning.
Morning.
See his face. Say cheese. What? Why didn't you want to wear your? Why didn't you want to wear the one that I brought out for you? You didn't want to wear the other one. Why?
That is.
You wanted to wear jeans. So you know what jeans is. Why didn't you want to wear the plain trouser? Eh? Yes, we are.
I see. Let's go.
We're waiting for your daddy now. So.
I see. Dad is coming.
Daddy is coming. I am going to call your daddy.
At that one.
Not which one.
That out.
There's no. They're not blocking us. They're not behind us, so we can easily go.
Big car.
There's no car behind our own car.
It's gone.
It's gone. Yes.
It's gone.
So we can go to church.
Yes. Car is gone.
The car is gone.
Ash is gone. Car is gone. Car is gone. Ash, car is gone.
The car is gone.
He's going.
Stop playing with my dress robe. Brian, look at the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera now. Let them see your face. Say hi. Where are you climbing to?
Say hi. Brian.
Yes, Brian. Brian who? Mom.
You.
And you.
Me.
And me.
You.
And you. Oh, Jesus, this my hair is entering inside my eye. Oh.
This is my eye.
Don't rumple your shirt, though. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Don't touch anything there. What are you doing? What's funny? Can't you just stay one place, this child? Hey guys, good morning. How y'all doing? Today is today is Wednesday. So I just dropped off Brian in school, just finished doing school runs, and I'm headed to the bank. I want to go and pick up, or rather request for a new ATM card because the one I had has expired. I actually went there yesterday, but there was no network. Like, I went there this early yesterday, there was no network, so I just left because I was tired of waiting. I'm just going to go back there today and hopefully there's network. So from the bank, I'll head to ShopRite. I want to get something for Brian. His school party is on Friday, so I want to buy some stuff for him to wear because he has to be looking dapper, okay, for that school party. So I think that's all about it today. Then I think from there I'll go and pick him up from school. And yeah, that's like the lowdown for today. So come on, let's go. Everybody is just opening. Buy him toy. And you go and scatter again.
Buy for him now. 2,200. It was like 1 something. So about that. Because about that time.
This guy no jump to. I came here for, please let me go straight to what I came here for. I came here to look for, let me check for shoe. These ones are girls.
Mom?
Okay, so let me quickly show you guys the slippers I got from Pep. I told you I wanted to buy some stuffs from there, but I only bought slippers and a toy car for Bryan, which he has destroyed. Please, sorry if there's any background noise. Generators are on, so you know this is Nigeria. So this is the slippers I got. He's already dirty. I got this for I think 420. It was 420 naira. This is a size, let me even see, 24/25. Really nice slippers you could just wear around. So that's, and then these are the shoes I got for him, Abi canvas. This one I got it from, I didn't buy this from Pep. I got this from, I went to the market to actually buy this for him. So this is what it looks like. Nice. Bryan, bring the other ones for me. No, okay, yeah, okay, bring the other ones too. So these are the pairs. These two. Oh Lord. Then this one. This particular one, I actually had to go and change it. I got this in blue, which I preferred, but it was not his size, so I had to go back to change it. I had to get this one. Bring that other one for me. Bring the last one for me. Yeah. So I got him 3 pairs. So this is the last one. Wait. This is what it looks like. Shoes are really nice though. Wait, let me turn off the flash on my phone. I think it's overshadowing. Okay, so it's better now. The flash was just being so this is what this one looks like. This is really nice. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and this is where I'll be ending this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlogmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.